Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So today in this video I want you to explain you everything you need to know about crypto trading. Many people ask themselves what is crypto trading, what is forex trading, and today I want to explain to you how crypto works and what is crypto trading. So first of all, when doing crypto, you need a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is like Bybit, Binance. You can use even Mexic. You can use other platforms like OKEx, but let's use which is popularly used, which is Binance. You can see here. This is Binance. This is Binance app. You can see it. This is Binance. So let us click the link so it can take us to the main Binance home. So Binance is in Binance. This is where you can buy your crypto. You can buy your you can do spot trading. You can do all those types of trading in crypto. So first of all, when logging to Binance, you must create your account and they will ask you for KYC verification. As for me, I've already created my account. Is just your email, your names, location, and KYC verification. You upload your IDs. So let us start. Now in Binance, you can see this is now the main site of Binance. In Binance, you can see this stuff. There is Bitcoin. These are now crypto. You can buy Bitcoin. This is the price of Bitcoin. You can see here $63,081 per Bitcoin. Ethereum, you can see also there is BNB, SpaceX. You can see all of them. This is now crypto. Now, first of all, here in Binance there is buy crypto. You can trade. There are many types of trading. There is spot trading. This is where you can hold your crypto for a long time due to difference in prices. For example, today Ethereum is trading at $1,000. I buy one Ethereum at $1,000. In the next 1 month, maybe Ethereum will be $1,500. So I will have made a profit of $500. This is spot trading. You can also trade the stocks. You can do margin. This is P2P. This is commonly done. This is where for example, a seller has like 1,000 US dollars. He sell it for maybe for example, since I'm from Kenya, he sells $1 at 127 shillings. That one, that is P2P trading. He sells it. He sells it at 129. Then I send my money to him. Then he release the crypto. You can do P2P trading. Now let us dive into more about crypto. Here is where now you can buy crypto. You can see buy crypto. If you want to buy crypto, you can buy it there. And the popular cryptos is like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, there is XRP, there is Solana, and mostly crypto works as a blockchain of network. Now, for example, here's the hot trading ones. There is the BTC, there is the Solana, BNB, Bank USDT. As for me, mostly I trade Bitcoin because it's the most traded. It has the biggest market cap. And also in some brokers, you can still trade a crypto, but it is under buying and selling, not holding the crypto. That is contract for different CFDs. So the difference between crypto and the CFDs, where you can trade, like for example, how you trade gold in your broker like HFM, you trade in other brokers like Headway, Externus. The difference in crypto, you can buy heat. and hold it for long term. You can buy Ethereum, you can buy even gold in crypto, but you can't buy it in the broker. That is CFDs. So for example, you can buy the BTC, for example, but we are not buying. I'm just illustrating what you needed to know. For example, mostly in crypto, mostly people do it for investing. You hear like the biggest or the biggest the richest people in earth mostly are in crypto. They invest. You buy low, you sell high. For example, here in overview, you can see one BNB is selling at 582.62. This is BTC. Maybe you can open a chart maybe of the Bitcoin. Let us see. This is BTC. Wait for it to load a bit. Yeah, the network is not good, but maybe let us wait. You can see now there. You can see this is the chart. You can see here BTC is trading at 63.115. 63.115. The chart is still loading. I don't know why is it loading too slow. Yeah, here is the chart. Now you can see the chart is here. This chart illustrates how the BTC is trading. This is the 15 minutes. Let's dive into the 4 hours time frame. You can see in the 4 hours time frame how the chart is looking like. Maybe it is a bullish market. It's a bullish market, by the way. It's a bullish market. The daily time frame. Now in the daily time frame, you can look how it looks like. It is trading at 62.799. Now if, for example, if you are a beginner and you want to trade Bitcoin in spot trading, when you buy, for example, if you have like $100 in your account, then you buy Bitcoin with the 100. So if one Bitcoin is trading at, if you buy at 799.92, 799.92, if you buy it at that point, you should know that if one Bitcoin is 62.7, now your Bitcoin will be $100 divided by this. That will be in your crypto portfolio. Now if the price goes down, still your $100 will start decreasing because your BTC is losing value. But if the price goes up like maybe 90, 85, 80, your crypto will start gaining value. That is how crypto works. Like, maybe you understand. You can trade things like Ethereum. You can trade things like Solana, XRP. Even some crypto are less than $0.5. You can buy it and store it in your portfolio. So hope you get it. Wait for the next video. I'll show you what is crypto arbitrage and everything that now you need to understand. Thank you for your time.